Okay, firstly we have to find the H.
Number of hosts 2 by n, 2 by h.
Okay,
2 power
so
12.
what is the H for this?
12, 12.
12.
Yes.
Okay, now convert it. Total
16 minus 2. That's 12.
host weight
4.
minus required host weight. 16 minus 12
12.
is equal to 4. Now total
Total
converted network weight plus total network weight. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Now we find the subnet mask. So what is the subnet mask for 20 bit? 255.255 dot subnet mask, bro. 240.0.
So, 0.
yes.
Now we find the range. Range of IP started from the 172.16.0.0 to 172.16.16.0. Here we can minus from 256. Understand, Guru?
Okay.
Wahid,
Yes, sir.
have you understand?
Yes, sir.
So first IP 172.16.0.1, last IP 172.16.15.254,
5-4.
broadcast IP is 172.16.15.255. Okay, Guru.
Okay, bro. Bro, I have
Any
only one
confusion?
doubt. I have only one doubt, bro.
Huh?
For 20 bit, how do we calculate as 240? Subnet was 255 to 240.
Okay. Calculate like this in easy way. Five, seven, five, seven. Firstly, we take 8 bit by default,
Okay.
then 8 bit,
8 bit 24.
and
Then
then
the 4 bit. Okay.
4 bit.
4 bit.
So value of this is 255,
255.
255. The value of 4 bit is 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 is equal to 240.
240. Okay. Fine, bro.
So, any doubt?
Okay, fine, bro.
Sorry. So, here we have network devices, and here we have AND devices, cable, and the in network devices we have router, switches, hubs, wireless device, security device. And in end devices, we have PC, laptop, servers, phone, and many things, wireless and devices. In cable, here we have automatic option. Take automatically cable. Here we have console cable. This one is copper straight through, and this one is copper crossover, and this is serial cable. And here we have USB. This one is optical. Now we know how to configure the IP addresses on router and switches. Not switches, because switch work on the layer 2. So if we take two router here, connected with the cable, I choose here automatic. Now I connect. Okay, here it show the interface number. Interface means if you have laptop, there is a many port where you connect the cable. Okay, like this we have interface on the router and the switches. When you connect the first time and using first time Cisco packet tracer, then it will be not show on here. So go on options and then preferences and always show port level in logical workspaces. Now I click on the router, I get some options. I go in global configuration mode and here it shows the interface number where we configure the IP addresses. Always we configure IP addresses on the interface. Okay, bro.
Okay.
So I go on the interface and then firstly I take note to remember which IP address assigned here. So I can write 21.0.2.1. 21.2.1. So I can assign here IP addresses 21.0.0.1. Click on submit, it takes automatic. And then we go on the CLI mode and run one more command. No shutdown. And here we run one command, no shutdown. By default, all the interface of router is in down. Okay, I can run no shutdown command. So when we run no shutdown command, see here, linked change interface giga ethernet 0 by 0 by 0 change state to up. Same thing we do on this. When we have two router directly connected, here we give the same network but IP is always be different. IP address is always different. If I can run here 21.0.0.2 and then no shutdown. But if we have one more router or switches or PC, anything is connected on this interface on router 0. So here we have different network. We didn't take same network. So I can give here 10. But if you want to take same IP, then you have to do. Okay. Two different interface of router connected to different network. Always remember. Okay, Guru.
Okay.
Parvez,
Yes, sir.
without.
No, the 6 IP from which router we are finding, right?
Yes, bro.
Assigning IP address to both these routes.
Now we do all the things by using commands. So firstly, I can do here reload. Reload the router. No. Yes. You get this type of option. Here we have to run the. This is the user mode. User or exit mode. Router and this mode is user. In this mode, we run some show command. Not every show command. Some show command, just like show IP interface, show IP route, that's like. And ping command only, and nothing else. Okay, so go on the different mode. We have to run the command enable router enable. When we run this command, we go on the privilege mode like this. This is privilege mode. In this mode, we run all show command. Every show command we run here in this privilege mode. All show command, ping command, trace route command, and debug command. What is this? Debug command and one interface. From here to go in different mode. So run configure command. See here, I can run here. CONF and use tab and then enter. One more time enter. This is our global configuration mode. This is global configuration mode. Here we can run all routing command, access control list, network address translation. We want to change the host name of router, anything, DSCP. It means here if you want to change anything on the router, then you can do here. Just like
You can change IP of router also.
what to do?
You can change IP, even IP of the IP of the route also.
Yes, IP route, static routing.
No, you can change even IP address of the router in this mode.
No. IP address is not in this mode because this is global configuration mode. If you can do anything on this in this mode, it means it run on all the router.
Oh,
But always we assign IP addresses on the interface, on
okay,
particular interface. Okay.
okay.
If I can change the host name of the router is from,
Okay.
then router name is from. Okay. If you want to assign the IP addresses on the interface, then we can run router configure mode interface number means Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0. This is the interface number. When you run this command, you get like this. Router config if. And now you can run command IP address 21.0.0.1. Then you have to give the subnet mask and now no shutdown. See here, global configuration mode, interface Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0, IP address 21.0.0.1, and then subnet mask and then no shutdown. Interface Giga Ethernet changes state to up. On real time scenario, we always this command because this option get only in the Cisco packet tracer. Okay, now how to exit from any mode. If we want to come exit from any mode, just like if I want to exit from the interface for the global configuration mode, I can run command exit. If I want to go in the privilege mode, then I can run command exit. Okay, run command exit. If we want to save the configuration, because every time when we restart the routers, all the configuration is deleted. So in privilege mode, we can run command write. I can run command here. So reading configuration. If we want to check the configuration of interface, Then in global configuration mode, run command show IP interface int interface 3.
This is in privilege mode or global mode, sir?
Privilege mode, privilege mode. So this is interface number, IP addresses, and the status is up. And how we configure the IP addresses mode means manually. If we get IP from the DSCP, then it takes automatic.
Automatic.
If we want to check the routing table, then in privilege mode, show IP. Now,
Okay.
show IP. Now, if we want to check the all router configuration, which command is running. So in router privilege mode, show running configuration. So IP addresses and no shutdown. Everything. Okay. If I want to ping any devices, want to ping the any IP, then in privilege mode, ping and the IP which we want to ping. Here we have IP ping 21.0.0.2. That's ping. If we want to capture or we say that want to generate a log message, which packet we receive, packet receive or router. So we can run router and see every time this command is different, because this time I want to check the debug IP ICMP, means I want if anyone ping my router, then you can generate me a log message, then I can run this command debug IP ICMP. Every time this command is different. Firstly we tick debug and then shift plus question mark. Here many options we get. Okay, bro. So debug IP ICMP
Okay.
is done. If I can ping other device, particular device give me reply, then we can generate log message from where we packet receive ICMP packet. Okay, bro.
Okay.
Any commands which is left? Saurabh,